Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to bold table text in Google Docs. So let's start it. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, bold table text in Google Docs is the select your all text. Then you can see is going to the bold option. Then click for bold. Then we show the table text is bold. So again that select your all table text and click for the bold option and click for the bold. Then we show the bold or table text in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.